All right, guys, welcome to today's trade recap. Yeah, so as you can see today, let me show you. I have passed my three Alpha Zero, uh, Alpha Future Zero accounts. So now I have max allocation on Alpha Futures. So as you can see, fresh, 350k accounts. I'm gonna copy trade them all. Of course, a fresh balance. No trades taken at all. This was the trade I took today to pass these evals. So pretty much I had around $630 left to pass the accounts after yesterday I banged a 1.5k trade. Now, unfortunately, I cannot show you the stats because these are already the new accounts, and I do not have access to the evaluation account to show you the stats. Um, so yeah, yeah. So pretty much, let me get over. Let me whoop. Let me find that shit. All right. So let me get over. Oh. All right. There you go. All right. So let me go over my daily bias and my trade recap pretty much for today. Let's go back to 9:30. Perfect. All right. So when the market opened, all right, 9:30, I saw this fucking shit PA, all right? I was like, what the fuck is going on, right? As you can see over here, so pretty much looking at the overnight session, we traded into a 4 hour for value gap, bearish gap over here, and then we traded lower, right? We do not have, we actually held this hourly for value gap, right? As you can see, we held it, rejected it, and then started pushing lower. So pretty much my bias for today was bearish, because again, respecting bearish PDRAs and disrespecting bullish PDRAs, right? So this was market open right over here, and pretty much no 15 minutes for value gap at all. So my conditions were this, right? My draw on liquidity, right? So as you can see right over here, we had London session lows right over here, and then Asia highs were sponsored because they traded into a 4 hour bearish for value gap and then traded below, rejected from that. So they are protected, they are sponsored, and I'm not expecting a New York reversal all the way up there. So pretty much in order to confirm my bias and my draw on liquidity, so my draw on liquidity was London lows right over here. So in order to confirm that, I pretty much set two conditions, right? So we had this bullish 5 minute for value gap right here that we rejected, and we had this 5 minute bearish for value gap which we kept rejecting. So we were stuck in kind of a range, and in order to confirm where are we going and if my draw on liquidity, which was London low, is correct, I wanted to wait for inversion of either one of those. So as you can see, market open, we manipulated to both directions, and then we kept manipulating both ways, and then we had the inversion lower. Now, while inverting the gap like the 5 minute FVG below, right, we created a bearish 3 minute gap. So what I wanted to see was a retracement all the way back up there, and we got it. And then we pretty much let me go back because I don't have the 30-second chart on trading view. So pretty much, as you can see right over here, this move right over here, this is the move I wanted to catch all the way to London lows, but I missed the entry because, yeah, look at that. So you see the inversion, we didn't have a 1 minute, we had a 30 seconds for value gap. And then as you can see, the inversion was like so tiny. I do not take inversions like these because in my opinion, it's not an inversion. We need to see a clean breakthrough. So pretty much what happened was we got a move lower, a move higher. We retested that gap, that IFVG, and from there we have another 30-second for value gap, which we inversed. Clean inversion, perfect. So perfect entry. I entered straight on the inversion. Targeted London lows for a 1 to 1.3 risk to reward, and pretty much banked 640 something dollars and pressed all three accounts, copy trading them. So now I'm fucking max allocated in Alpha Futures, which is awesome, fucking great. and can't wait to start printing money on these accounts. And yeah, so that's pretty much the trade recap for today. Yeah, is this like it's pretty much my matrix model. It's my model that I call the matrix model, just lower time frame. So my matrix model is pretty much higher time frame gaps, higher time frame for value gaps, hourly 4 hour gaps, and then waiting for market to confirm the structure, and then take a continuation from that, from those FVGs. But this time, because we didn't have this structure on the higher time frame, we had no high time frame gaps. We had no hourly, no 4 hour, not even a 15-minute gap. So yeah, I pretty much did had the exact same model, just on a lower time frame. So instead of having an hourly gap or a 4 hour gap, I used a 5 minute gap, 3 minute, and then 30 seconds inversions. So that's pretty much it. My draw on liquidity was super, super clear. As you can see, the draw was hit like instantly. The take profit was like in 41 seconds. I hit the take profit. Um, and yeah, overall, great day. Past three accounts now fully allocated on Alpha Futures. And I'm going to keep you guys updated on the trades I'm going to take on these accounts, and hopefully a nice fat payout soon. So, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate your support. Leave a like, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment. I read them all, I answer them all, bro. So if you want to talk to me, yeah, man, help me out, bro. So thank you for watching. Peace out.